Have you got an issue with your robot mower and you've got a flashing light on your base station? Let's go and see if we can find a break in the cable. We found the break. The parts you need are robot mower genuine couplers, some extra wire, pegs, and a few tools, snips, mold grips, hammer, and a little trowel. Firstly, tidy up any loose ends. Pull up some excess wire. Right, this is a type of couplers you need, which are silicone based and also waterproof. So when you squish them down, it keeps it waterproof. Wires don't stretch to join, then use an additional bit of wire. Just push your wire in each end, so it comes up to the end, and then clamp it down. And you get a bit of the silicone comes out, look, and it's all waterproof. I'm going to do the same on the other end. Again, in and clamp down. There we go. And to hide the wire, just dig it in with a spade. Check back to the base station, see if you've got solid green light, and yes, good to go.